Hello everyone, I'm Yuki, the trainer from Jega. In this video, we'll walk you through how to process an after-sales replenishment order. This operation is designed for scenarios where you need to replace certain panels or modify the dimensions of panels in an existing order and then reorder them. First, navigate to the after-sales management section in the AIM system and select After-Sales Application. Click New After Sales Order on the right. Then, choose the historical order you wish to modify. For this demonstration, let's use this order as an example. Click Confirm. After confirmation, you can reassign a designer, enter the contract number, expected delivery date, and store information, then click Save. Once saved, the After Sales sub-order page will appear below. There are two ways to proceed. First, directly select Place an order with the original. Then, choose the panels, doors, or hardware you need. You can also search for specific panel information in the top right corner. For example, let's select these two panels and click Confirm. Enter the after-sales reason and then click Submit to proceed. If no review is required, you can select Waived Submission. Let's introduce the second method. Modify panels before replenishment. If the panels need modifications, click 3D Order Placement to return to the design interface. Select the order and confirm. This will create a new after-sales suborder. Click Go to 3D Modification to proceed. Once inside, click on the cabinet to jump to the Wardrobe Customizations interface. For example, if we need to adjust the door panel dimensions, select the door and change its left side coverage to full overlay. After modifications, right-click the panel, select Place Order and After Sale Order Mark. If other panels also need modifications, mark them accordingly. Once all changes are complete, right-click the wall, select Place Order, and choose After Sales Supplement. If you need to reinstall hardware for the modified panels, select Yes. Otherwise, choose No. A list of after-sales hardware will pop up, showing the replenishment hardware details. You can choose whether to associate hardware and associate holes. If hardware association is selected, the after-sales order will include hardware material information. If no need, simply uncheck the option. The Associate Holes option determines whether pre-drilled holes will be added to the panels. Keep it checked if needed. After confirmation, click Place and Order. Once the system confirms a successful replenishment order, click OK to return to the AIMS system. Here, select the after-sales reason, add a description if needed, and assign a custom order number. Then, click Submit in the top right corner. After submission, go to After Sales Review on the left. Here, you can see the two after-sales suborders just submitted. Reviewers can click into each order to verify the details and click Review. For orders with panel modifications, reviewers can check the design changes in 3D Project and approve them once confirmed. Next, switch to the OMS system. Navigate to Custom Cabinet Production Scheduling and check the pending production list. Here, you'll find the two new orders. Select them, generate a single batch, and confirm. Return to the batch list on the left. Select the newly created batch and click Issue. Now, production planners or nesting technician can see this order in the Jega iCut list. For production scheduling optimization, open Jega iCut list, where you'll find the two dispatched orders. Select them to proceed the nesting and get the machining code for machining. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you!